Students, very good morning. Today I am going to be teach factorization by using suitable identity. So in this chapter we have studied 4 identities. So that identity you are using to solve this factorization. Okay, so let us see the first problem. X square minus 8x plus 16 is given. So you have to rewrite for this equation into a plus b the whole square or a minus b the whole square form. You have to convert this one. Okay, so the in between middle term is minuses comes. So you are using the formula is a minus b the whole square. So now see the first one, x square I am going to be written as it is minus 8x plus the 16. You have to split out the terms. So you have to take the factorization form is 4 square. So x square minus 8x plus 4 square. In the middle term of 8 I am going to be split out to 2 because the formula a minus b the whole square formula is what? A square minus 2ab plus b square. So the first term is x square. So in between, instead of x square, in the coefficient is 1 I am going to be consider. So 1 means the a value is 1. At last third value is what? B value is 4 I am going to be consider. So see here, a minus b the whole square, so a equal to 1 and b equal to 4. So I am substituting the formula x square minus 2, a value is 1 and b value is 4 plus b square. So I am getting the answer is what? A minus b the whole square. So a value is x and b value is 4. So x minus 4 the whole square, I am split out and write the polynomial x minus 4 into x minus 4. Okay, let us see the second problem. Same as that previous problem, but the minus they have to given. Here the plus formula is given. So y square plus 20y plus 100. So in this formula we are going to be use a plus b the whole square formula. Okay, that identity you are used here. So the term first one is y square plus 20y plus 100. I am going to be write it in the form of square is 10 square. So in the middle term 20 I am going to be split out 2 into the previous term y square value coefficient is what? 1. So 2 into 1 into 10. Then only I am getting 20y plus 10 square. So what is the formula? This one, a value is 1 you have to consider and b value equal to 10. So I am using the formula is y plus 10 the whole square. So we have to split out the term and get the answer is y plus 10 into y plus 10. Let us see the third problem in problem number 12, the same exercise 3.1. See the problem 36m square plus 60m plus 25. So in previous problem, in the first term they have to given simply they have to given m square, y square, x square. Here the 36, the number of coefficient is the higher number they have to given. So I am going to be split out the term by using the square terms. Okay, so I am going to be write 36 in the form of square means 6 square m square. So I am taking O square overall commonly outside, so 6m the whole square plus in the middle term I am going to be take as it is 60m plus 5 square. In 25 how to write 5 square. Okay, so in 6m square plus 2 into 6 into 5 into m. So I am going to be consider the formula is what? Identity form is a plus b the whole square. So a value equal to 6m and b value equal to 5. I am using the formula a plus b the whole square. So that formula a value is 6 plus b 6m and b value is 5. So 2 into 6 into 5 into m plus 5 square. So I am rewrite the formula 6m plus 5 the whole square. So split out the term and write 6m plus 5 into 6m plus 5.